Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I wanted to stop by like really quick and let you know that I've uploaded my newest ebook. And the ebook is called Building Brand Loyalty Through Email Marketing. Never dismiss the potential that email marketing has. It literally influences buying power by about 59%, right? So it does have a very powerful pull when it comes to email marketing. That's why I mentioned to you guys in a couple of videos, be sure when you're doing outside events or any type of events, you collect those emails. Those emails are like gold and they're very valuable. I do a lot of email marketing. I send out promos, not in the sense of being spammy or anything like that. I might send out one email per week. Sometime it might not be. It'll only be like maybe two per month. But I do send those out, and I do get a nice low return. In the sense of customers, repeat customers. I also have the social media strategy insight ebook that I've uploaded. Social media strategy is included in here. Social media audit template, the audience analysis template, the social media strategy goals, weekly posting schedule template, and then some examples where you can see what to do and how to do it and make it all works for you. Not just one platform works; they all work simultaneously together. In addition to email marketing. And then there's also, many of you may already know about this one, my manual plus workbook. Pretty meaty. I mean, some really good stuff in this book, I think. So I think it's very detailed. I think it has some really good information in it. And if you purchase the manual workbook, can you leave a comment below and then kind of letting people know how, if you enjoy the book, if it's worth the buy, and all those good things. Okay. So this too is available now in my Etsy shop. And then I also have a breakdown for cost, the business of cost structures in business. And a lot of people have been asking me about how to, like, maybe a breakdown for costs, expenses, revenue. Like, there's different ways to do things, and I think I put a pretty good breakdown in this book, but I still get some questions. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably do a video, and then I might even do a simpler breakdown for how to not literally how to price your jewelry, but just kind of keep up in the sense of bookkeeping and accounting, when it comes to let's see, expenses and revenue, like income coming in, income coming out, going out. So I'm going to do something like really simple, and I'll probably just give that away. It'll be a couple of pages or something. So I'm going to probably put something like that together like really soon. Okay. So I just wanted to share that with you all. If you have not or are not aware of the different reading materials, they are on the Jewelry by BDK Etsy shop. So they're in here, and I'm going to continue to add more and more learning materials, more and more reading materials. And I'm just a stickler on um, feedback. I like to have it to where it's a workbook type something. So each one of these have a workbook type something. Like you have to read it, and then you have to kind of formulate thoughts from what it is that you wrote, that you read, and then write it out how you pretty much understand it to be. And I think I kind of learned that way better. So my thought is that other people will kind of learn better that way too. So anyway, I want to thank you guys for being subscribers. Thank you for being supporters. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for making your purchases. The beadhustler.com website is on its way. Maybe another week or two, but it is on its way. I'm a little hoarse today. My throat, I've been talking a lot. I had workshops and stuff that I was doing. So I'm going to go ahead and shut it down now. And then guess what? We'll talk soon.